Good morning, guys. Let me know if you can hear me, if you can see me. I've got some technical issues. I've opened the stream, but it didn't work. So let me know if everything is okay with the sound and if you can hear me. Everything should be okay. All should be good. Mm. So, guys, on today's session, we're gonna focus on our all-in ASAP strategy, which is working very well during these hours, especially early morning. I'm talking about UTC plus 2 time. So if you are in different time zone, you should check your time. So usually it's working from open of the day on the charts. Okay. Um, okay. It looks like it's working. 1 second. Got some information. Okay. All should be good. So, guys, we got new week. Yesterday we didn't have any sessions because uh, we had holiday in our country. It was day off. That's why we didn't have any sessions. But today we are back Wednesday, and we're gonna look for some opportunities. First of all, let's check microeconomic calendar and let's see if we got any important news today coming up or maybe not. I've got my morning coffee, of course. So this is my routine. And today is Wednesday, the 12th of November, and I cannot see any important news in the calendar. They should be marked as red. So we got only low impact news, which is good because if we don't have any news, it's a good day for trading. We don't need to look for some unexpected moves on the market. So should be okay. We will see. We can move straight to our charts and let's see if we got any targets today, if we can find some opportunities, or maybe we're just gonna make a plan. Okay, so let me just open platform. 2 seconds. I want to check trading view as well. This is good. Okay, so let's start off from Euro USD. We're gonna check all the major currency pairs and also gold and crude oil. We're gonna start from Euro USD. I've got my panel over here on the left hand side, you can see. I got my panel. This panel helps me to set daily targets, to set clusters, previous day high, previous week and previous month highs and lows. Also, I can check swings, imbalances, and there is Pharaoh mode, which can maximize your profits by opening like 4 positions on one setup. The risk is same, but you can maximize your profits up to 4 or 6%. Okay, so also we got risk calculator over here. So let's check if we got any targets today. We got targets which is above the price. This is good, but we got only 14 pips to get to that target. We should be in position already because it's looking good. 14 pips, it's quite tight, to be honest. Quite tight, but maybe we can do something with that. Let me just check something. Okay. I think we might take a risk because on 1 hour time frame, I know we should have 20, at least 20 pips to the target, but the price closed above exponential moving average. We are in bullish trend, okay? We are in bullish trend. We can try to find some rotation channel. It's working quite well. So we can do it from lower time frame because we don't have enough space We can try to lower the risk. Okay, we can try to lower the risk, and maybe we're gonna be able to get like 13 pips, but very small stop loss. Okay, very small stop loss. So let's move on to trading platform. Um, favorite Euro USD. This is 5 minutes time frame. Let's go to 5 minutes. I can set order because it's very risky. Trust me, we might get stopped. Okay, I know that. So because we got very small space for stop loss, I'm gonna set risk for like $500, no more. Okay, and stop loss will be like 6 pips. 6 pips and stop loss points. 6 pips. Also, there is spread, so probably um, about around 5. So 6 pips value. Yes, we want value of $500. Okay. So I'm gonna risk $500 to get $1,000. Trade is very risky, so I know there is a chance we're gonna get stopped. But from 1 hour time frame is looking quite good. We are a bit late for this trade. That's why I lower my risk. And we're gonna try to get over here to our target. Uh, shouldn't be that bad. I can risk $500. That's not a problem. Mm, very small stop loss. We're after reaction. Let me check this impulse right here. Mhm. Nice. We can check also if we got any volume levels. Let me just find out with our volume edge indicator. Volume edge. Okay. So, do we have any volume levels? Right here, there was a reaction on volume level. Look how perfect reaction was it. Just in point, okay? There is another one which can be risky for us because we might drop down and price may activate right like this, but I want to check 1 minute time frame. Okay, we'll see. If we're gonna break through this trend line from 1 minute time frame, I'm gonna open the position. Come on, come on. Like one more pips. Two maybe. Not yet. If we're gonna drop down to our volume level right here, it's gonna be better for us. After reaction, we're gonna have more space. Stop loss will be in much better place, and this make sense, this trade. But we need to first drop down here. If not, maybe we're gonna open it now, but very, very low risk. Okay. Right, we are breaking through. Let's wait for this candle to close. Okay. See, not yet. We didn't close above resistance line. Maybe now. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay. I've opened the trade. Candle closed above trend line. Trade is open. Let's move to 5 minutes time frame. Very low risk because risk is around $500. Let's double check. $558. Okay. Take profits. I want 1,100. Okay. 2 to 1. So that's our take profits. Very small stop loss. We got 2 to 1. 1 to 2 risk to reward. We will see how this trade will go. Mhm. Okay, I don't worry too much about this trade. Like I said, I can accept the risk. The risk is low, so if we're gonna get to full take profit, good. If not, I don't care. I don't mind, okay? I don't mind. Okay, let's move to the next one, GBP USD. Let's try to find some targets. Let me just open the chat because I cannot see if you are typing anything. Okay. GBP USD, there's no targets close by. And one target is quite far away, 120 pips, which is too far for daily trading. So probably we will have to leave this. So we need to move to the next one. This one here, target above, but the market structure looks like bearish. We got another target, 110 pips. It's quite far for day trading because daily average trading range is about 27, 54, 40. So let's first say 40 pips. Okay. So if average trading range is 40 pips and we got to our target 100 pips, it might take 2 days. So not I'm not interested in that. Maybe tomorrow. USD we got target which is here, but we are in bearish market structure. So can we use this target? Maybe yes. If we're gonna have cluster over here, we can set order for reaction. Okay. So let's check if we got any clusters, and we do have a clusters. Actually, we got two clusters. Two clusters, so we can set order for reaction, and this place is quite good because you can see over here, this impulse was quite strong. So this is nice area for sellers. So if we're gonna get here, reaction for 10 pips, I think it might work. So let's set order. Level 40250. 40250. 40250. 40250. I can set like 45 maybe. Okay. It's gonna be better. The price, okay, stop loss, we want in points because stop loss will be 10 pips. And take profit also 10 pips, but I want to risk 0, 0.0, sorry, 0.2, 0.1. Okay, that will be my risk. And take profit. Okay, order is set. Okay, for reaction for 10 pips. We're gonna put this into trading journal so we can review that later on, but this is quite interesting. Okay, let me make a screenshot. Mm, Gonna go to this platform here, and we want reaction at this target, okay, for 10 pips. Okay, that's the plan. No, not this one, sorry. Not this one. All right, so let me just save it. Download 86. Okay, 86. So let's put that in our trading journal. This is ASAP strategy. So today is 12th of November, and we are on USD CAD 1 hour time frame. Let's insert the picture. 1 second. Down. Okay, that's one screenshot. We're gonna put another one with our position over here. Okay. Right, so I got two screenshots. We're gonna check that later, how this end up, but I need to add description. So mm, I set order for the target. I set order for reaction at the target for 10 pips. There are two clusters on might be strong. Set order for reaction at the target for 10 pips. There are two clusters on the target, so the level might be strong. My risk is $1,000. Risk to reward 1 to 1. We don't have any important news today. So I can leave this order till the end of the day. Okay. So I can leave the trade till the end of the day. I need to remember to close it before the end of the day. Okay. Till the end of the day. Okay, so let me just make it more visible. Okay, 20. And we're gonna go sell limit. So sell limit order is set, okay? All right, so let's have a look what's going on with euro. Are we going up or down? What's going on? Open positions euro. Yes, we're slowly going up, slowly. Very low risk. We're gonna start slowly, no rush. We need only 10 pips to get full take profit, okay? Low risk, I only want to get $1,000. Enough. If I can get from this trade 1,000 and from the other, that's 2,000. Enough. Okay, guys? Sometimes it's enough for a day. I know we can make, if there is very good plan, we can risk some more, like $2,000 to get $4,000, but only the best setups. If we got these setups are also good, but some of the setups are more risky. So if the setup is more risky, I want to risk less. Okay, so remember about that. So we got one order set, the other one is open. So let's check if we got some more to do. Okay. Let's open MetaTrader 4 and let's check USD This currency pair is quite nice for this strategy, but I don't think we have any targets. There is one target, but like you can see, it's around 500 pips away. Okay, so not for today, I would say. It's quite far. We can check different kind of targets, okay? Because using this tool, you can set different targets. The targets which I'm showing you, these are standard targets, okay? But we got many, many more targets we can use, and they are sometimes even working better, okay? So let me check. I need to change some settings in All-in panel. So let me do that. Properties and loads. I got some settings. Yes, 7 a.m. All right. Now let's check daily targets. Oh no. No, 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 no. Unfortunately, no, this one is done. This is from yesterday, but I think it's done as well. The price went close to this target, so I don't really want to use that target, but I can check some other settings. Two maybe. So what time was it? 7. Okay, let's check different hour. Okay, maybe this one. We have the target. Oh, we got not too. We got only statistics from 110 days. Let me try to get some more history. USD FX Majors Pro, USD it's over here, 1 hour time frame, downloads. No. Let me try that. We will see. Oh, let me just put Euro USD in trading journal so we can review that later as well. Okay. Right, so save. Let's open our trading journal. So this one is different. This is Euro USD, 5 minutes time frame. Mm. Yes, I've got everything in trading journal. Like you can see, every single day we put every single plan in trading journal. If I'm opening any trade, it's in trading journal. So later on, by the end of the week, like Friday, we can review all week and see what was working. Did we have any take profits? Maybe we had some losses. So on Friday, we're always gonna check the whole week. Okay. Last week was pretty good because I've opened only 4 trades, and 3 of them were in profit. Total profit of $6,300 last week. So I think it's pretty good. Okay, so this is there is target. The price is open from 1 hour time frame. So I decided to do it from 5 minutes time frame with very low risk because my stop loss is only 6 pips. Okay, 6 pips. Risk to reward is 1 to 2. Okay, and we got buy position. Buy. Hmm. Green. Okay, good. Let's go back to our chart. Small profit, uh, but we want to check USD JPY. Do we have some more statistics? No. Let me just check one more thing. Okay. No, it didn't work. Okay, it doesn't matter. The statistic is not very good, I would say. So I'm not gonna use this target because the statistic is very low. 67% is too low for me. I need at least 80%, okay? 80% chances that the price will come back to the target the same day. I got only 67%, so not attractive for me, okay? We don't have any other targets, standard targets, so probably we need to move to the next one. Advanced trading, 1 second, all in panel, okay. So yes, we're gonna move to the next one. All right, Australian dollar, why not? This target is quite interesting, but it's already settled. Look at this. This week, the price got to the target on the 3rd of November, and there was a reaction. So for me, this target is done. Okay, nothing else to do on here. It's looking interesting because if you look what's going on the chart, we got strong support resistance zone. Okay, we had some reactions, nice reactions, and now we are on the other side. So there is a chance we're gonna go higher, but we cannot use this target. Unfortunately, no. All right, so we got New Zealand dollar. Maybe this one here is gonna be better. Not really. Target is quite far away. What about gold? Do we have anything on gold? Uh, let's check for standard targets. Okay. 1 hour time frame. No, not really, but can check something else. Load trading session. This one here, and we want 15. Okay, and let's check statistics. We got target at the bottom. Maybe we're gonna be able to use it, but there's only 73% chances that we're gonna come back here. Too low for me. So I won't be able to use it, unfortunately. No. I can check one more thing. Just let me try again. Um, let's say 4. Okay. 77. 77% of chances. No, still too low, guys. Still too low. We need to remember that we are going up. There is like a double bottom over here, and we might have continuation of bullish trend. So, not really. Not really. So, last chance with crude oil. Crude oil. There is target above. Nothing close by. So there's nothing to do. Maybe Bitcoin. Let's check Bitcoin. I'm not really fan of Bitcoin, but we can check. On panel. Look, there is target, but the price is nearly there, nearly there. So there was probably a chance, but earlier on. Yes, because from 4 hour time frame, we are bullish. So yes, probably over here there was a chance to open the position to get to the target. But now we are too late. Okay, let's leave it then. Let's leave it then. I want to check because from all in ASAP, there's nothing to do. Not much, I would say. We got one position is open and the other one we got pending order. So we can wait for that. But I want to check something else. Let's go to 5 minutes time frame. Gonna leave Euro USD because I've got position open already, so let's leave it. But we can check other currency pairs like uh, GBP USD. Okay, this can be nice. I'm looking at Asian session because on this side there is some liquidity from Asian session, and probably we can use it to make some profits. Mm, there is some imbalance from yesterday, so if we're gonna get a little bit higher, then there will be reaction, and if we're gonna break through the trend line, we might have a chance to drop a little bit down. Maybe we can get few pips. Okay, gonna check that we are in some kind of range, which is good basically because we are moving in some kind of range for last few days. So yeah, this can work, but we need to wait for the perfect conditions. Let me just check USD CHF. This one here, I don't want to use it because we are going down. So mm, opening trade opposite direction, we are in bearish trend, might be risky. I know probably we can find some interesting zones, maybe here, maybe, but I prefer different setup. Let's say from the other side and drop down, yes, because against the trend, it may be too risky. Okay, we got USD CAD. And this might be quite interesting because Asian session over here, you can see this is Asian session. We got to some kind of support resistance. Let's check from higher time frame. There is a cluster, so the price stopped at the cluster, but this is also this is support resistance zone. Okay, so we might bounce from it, get to the target, and boom. So we can get two profits. Let me just mark this area right here. Okay. I'm gonna go to 5 minutes time frame. Okay. This is Asian session. And we are at the support resistance zone. So let me just add one more thing. Trend line is very helpful in this kind of setups because after the breakout, we're gonna wait probably for retest. And after reaction, we can try to get to this target. And over here, we got order set for reactions. So we can get in one, two setups on one currency pair. We're gonna check that. All we need just a reaction. So I'm looking for a situation like this. If we're gonna break this swing over here from 5 minutes time frame, the market structure will be bullish. We're gonna wait for correction, maybe retest of trend line, and after a nice reaction, we can open position, and probably we can get 2-to-1 risk to reward. Yes, for sure. So if I'm gonna see a situation like this, for sure I can use it. I'm gonna leave order for reaction. Remember, guys, if you are using founded accounts or you are challenging, you should know that in prop trading firms, hedge is not allowed. Okay, so if you open position, let's say buy position, and you got pending order in this area over here for sell, remember to set your take profit a little bit lower because first you need to close the trade before you open another one. Okay, if this trade will be open and another position will open for sell, this means you are hedging. Okay, so prop fear might count this as a hedge. So you don't want to do that. So remember, if you got take profit, let's say here, that's your take profit. That's your take profit. So take your profit and your order, sell order at the target. So this one will be closed, and after this one will activate. So just make sure there's no hedge position, okay? What's going on with euro? Euro is going down. I'm not surprised because we can get to this volume over here and then we might have a reaction, bullish reaction. We will see. Stop loss is somewhere over here, so uh, yes, we might get stop out. But like I said, this trade was very risky. That's why risk was only $500. Okay, so I'm okay with that. If I'm gonna get stopped, I don't mind. There might be a chance to open the trade from this area here, but I usually don't try to open twice the same trade. Okay, if I got stopped, okay, that's fine. That's fine. All right. Do we have anything else? Standard targets from All-in ASAP not available this morning, unfortunately, unless you are trading just right after open of the day. You might have more opportunities, okay? GBP USD is breaking. Oh, nice. This is looking nice, but not interested in this one. Mm, 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 USD CAD. Just check gold. Okay, guys, we got one position open. One position is set with limit order, and we've got plan for USD CAD, right? Let me just double check. Yes, for CAD, but we're gonna have to wait for that. So let me just put it in a trading journal. Mm, I'm gonna add the description as well. So this is euro, sorry, USD CAD, 5 minutes time frame. The price is currently at strong support and resistance from 1 hour time frame. If I see reaction and breakout through resistance line. I will wait for retest and signal candle to enter the position. Okay, it's quite simple setup, but it's working, guys. Okay, and 20. Okay, I'm looking for buy. Okay, so guys, we got a few different ones. USD CAD order set for reaction limit order. So we are waiting for the price to come back to activate my trade. Next one, Euro USD. The trade is open, but probably we're gonna get stopped out in the second. Not too far from stop loss, so probably stop loss. That's fine, very low risk. And this one might be quite nice after the breakout and reaction USD CAD 5 minutes time frame. We're gonna try to buy. Okay, and we're gonna try to get to the target from all in ASAP. So there's not much to do this morning. We got few plans. Next session we have at 2 p.m. So during US session, we're gonna look for some opportunities, but using different strategy, price action cycle. So hopefully you're gonna find some nice setup during that time. Today we don't have any important news, so nothing is blocking us. So probably we can find some nice trades during next live session. So guys, please come to the next session at 2 p.m. UTC plus 2. We're going to look for some more opportunities. Slowly, guys. Don't worry. You don't need to open 100 trades a day. Take it easy, okay? Only the best setups. Okay, guys. Thank you for today, for this morning. I will see you in about 4 hours time for our next live trading sessions. And that's it. Thank you guys for your attention, and I will